In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Twilio with Google 2025 step by step. First, open your browser and head to Twilio's website. You should see the main homepage. Look for the button that says Start for Free. This takes you into the account creation flow, which also covers signing in with your Google account if you prefer not to manage a separate password. When the sign up options appear, choose Sign Up with Google. A Google window will open. Select the Google account you want to use for Twilio. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one tied to your work or the project you plan to use with Twilio. If Google asks you to continue, confirm to proceed so Twilio can verify your profile and email. Next, Twilio will prompt you to secure your account with your phone. Enter your mobile number, including the correct country code. Make sure it's a number that can receive SMS messages reliably. Then choose Send Code via SMS. Keep your phone nearby, and when the text arrives, type the verification code exactly as shown, then click Verify. If the code takes a moment, wait a bit or use the resend option. Never share this code with anyone. It's there to protect your account. After verification, Twilio will display a recovery code. This is important. Copy it and store it somewhere safe and easy to access later, such as a secure notes app or a trusted password manager. This code can help you get back into your account if you lose access to your phone. Once you've safely saved it, click Continue. You should now see a confirmation that you're all set. Twilio may guide you through a brief onboarding flow. Answer the questions about your role, your use case, and the channels you're interested in, like SMS, voice, or email. Providing accurate information helps Twilio tailor your console experience and recommend the right tools and resources for your goals. That's it. You're in the Twilio console using your Google account. From now on, when you return to Twilio, choose the Google Sign In option to access your account quickly without a separate password. Remember to keep your phone number up to date for verification and keep your recovery code stored safely. If you ever change your device or phone number, update your Twilio security settings so you don't get locked out. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps and you'll be signed in with Google and ready to build in just a few minutes.